Hello guys, welcome. This is my first video with voice. So in this video I will be talking about the trackers. What are the trackers, what they do, why they are needed to put into the apps. So let's start. Trackers, as you can see, the embedded softwares. Embedded softwares in the apps which we developers embed by throw into the Java files or with the manifest file into the app. They are usually provided as SDKs, software development toolkits, to implement. Their usually role is to gather information about how we are using the apps, why we are using, and mainly if there is a ad tracker, then it will show you who ads according relevant to your usage, how you use apps. It will send the informations if you log in into the app, your data to the devs or the one who has put the tracker inside the app. So let's move ahead. Usually it's of two kinds. Some are useful, which are provided, and some are useless, which track our privacy. So let's discuss about these two. So the useful trackers mainly are done to run the app smoothly. Like if we take an example of Google Maps, it has a location tracker, but it will not work without location tracker because it's taking your location to run it smoothly. If you want to go to a place from your place to other location, then it will track your exact location, then show you how distance the other place is. And if you want to share your location with some people's like your loved ones or another ones, then location tracker is must. So these are the things. If the app crashes, then it will send the crash reports to the devs. But if the developers want to keep the crash reports anonymous, then there's option 2. So analytics, Google crash analytics are good if the developers use them to keep the crash reports as anonymous. Useless trackers are those who take our personal data, like if you log into an app and it sends all the data to the developers or other who has implemented that tracker into the app. Our data most are the used for the ads. You also remember that if you go and search something in Google, you will find in next 2-3 days after that you will find the same related ads into other apps. How they are done? They are done because of the trackers put into the apps. There's a good tool called Exodus Privacy. Exodus Privacy, all apps uses the same method which Exodus Privacy has done to check the trackers. It has designed by a non-profit organization. It has also created its app and published into the Play Store, but due to it has tracker checks, Google has removed it. All the apps which are like Warden, App Manager, etc. If you check an app's trackers through App Manager, which is very famous, you will see a Exodus logo above the trackers. If you click on that, you will go to the Exodus website. So it's also based on that Exodus Privacy. So thank you all. For watching. I created this to let you all know about the trackers. We will discuss about the one by one detail about the trackers in the next page. Exodus, one thing I would like to know you that Exodus Privacy is a great tool. If you use that, it will not only just tell you about the trackers, but it will also tell you about which trackers does what thing, so that if that tracker is useless or useful, you need to remove them from the apps or not. There's a very good information made by Warden organization. I want to show you this. What is a tracker? It has created everything in base. All our trackers, how they reports. See, crash reporters are good. Analytics are somehow good, 50-50, not full good. How these goods profiling, they gathers all the information of our profiles. Identification, they identify our roles. If we play game, they identify our goals and send to the teams. Ads trackers, the most used trackers till now everywhere. Location trackers, I already mentioned. Some website uses location tracker useless to track our locations, which is bad. Some website uses trackers to help improve our features. Who puts trackers? So this is I will share this PDF to you all. You can read this. Mostly there's an article all in this tracker video all. So I will share this with you. In the next video I will discuss is one by one what the trackers do. What is crash analytics? Why I am telling you all not removing crash analytics from apps? That's because the crash reports. If the developers not take the crash report, then it's impossible to improve that application further, and their application will be get very less reviews from the people. So it's please don't remove crash analytics. Yes, remove other app trackers which are taking profiling, identification, location, ads, etc. That's are good, but the crash reporters are not good to remove from the apps. Yes, if the app is using that app in unusual way by taking all your personal data in crash reports, then it's bad. But usually if the app uses Google Firebase crash analytics, then it always send anonymous crash reports to this, because I have used the crash reports in my demo app to make this video, and use that to check in my Google Play consoles. So thank you very much. In the next video we will discuss with a simple example with how removing trackers, seeing what trackers doing, how trackers doing, where it's going, and how to. Thank you very much. Happy reverse engineering.